Hi all. Today let's see why we can use self-closing tags for tags like div, p-tag, etc. in React, while at the same time we cannot use them in HTML. Self-closing tags are tags which do not have any data in them. So an example of a HTML self-closing tag is the br tag. So here I can add the br, so you can see that the syntax is different. It's not like the div which we have given here, which has a opening as and the closing tag. So the commonly used self-closing tags are the br, image, and input. So now I am going to add a div tag here, which has the class error. So I am closing the div tag. Now when I refresh the application, you can see that there is an error div here and there is the normal div at the bottom. So now let's see what happens in case I use a self-closing tag for the div. So I am closing the div tag here itself and removing the closing tag. Now when I refresh the application, you can see that actually browser has automatically added a new div tag or the closing tag at the bottom, and the in between the container has been created within the error div. Why this has happened is because HTML5 does not support self-closing tags for regular tags like div, even though there is no data in between them. So here you can see when I put it earlier, there was no data in between here. So that's why I tried to use the self-closing tag. So even then the HTML5 will not allow the self-closing tag for the div. So now let's take a React application, and here I am going to add a div tag with an ID called test, and I am using the self-closing tag. So now let's see what happens in React. You can see that a opening and closing tag has been created correctly for the div, like the sample div which we had made using the self-closing tag. So how does this happen in React? So now let's go to the code and let's disable the source map. So I am disabling the JavaScript source maps, and I am going to search for my ID. So here I have found a match. Now if you go to this code, this is the main.js. So here you can see that the div which we had given earlier, so it is basically a JSX tag and not an HTML tag. So it gets converted to this code, like it is a div and the ID, everything is getting passed to a function, and this will internally create our HTML tags. So that is why React allows self-closing tags to function properly. Hope you are able to understand the difference between the HTML tags and the JSX tags, and how the self-closing tags for div, p, etc. are supported in JSX, and how they are converted into normal HTML tags in React. See you soon. Thank you.